Hello Park Scholars, welcome to your English 12 Research Video Helper. The first thing you're going to do to start this paper is go to the Park Media webpage. You do that by going to the Park High School website, clicking on Students, going down to Media Center, clicking on that. When you get to the Media Center homepage, you're going to scroll down until you find the Research Current Event Pro-Con essay. Click on that. When you get to this page, you're going to click on the collection of research resources. That brings you to this collection. The first thing you're going to do before you do anything else is click on the research essay template. And you're going to make a copy of it just like it says up at the top. You're going to make sure you save it to a place in your Google Drive where you will be able to find it again. And you're going to change the name up here. You're going to put in your last name and the class period that you have English before you save it. This is where you're going to do your writing. And if you scroll down in this page, when you scroll down in this page, you'll see there's a works cited. It's already set up for you with the hanging indent. So all you have to do is select these things and put in your correct citations. There's actually some templates in here if you want to do them yourself. You could also use EasyBib. If you go to the OWL website from Purdue, you can see how to do a lot of different types of citations. You will also, when it's time to write your paper, you'll delete all of this. It's just set up to show you how to do some different things, and it actually gives you some directions in this text. So once you have that set up, back in the collection, here's another link to the Purdue Writing Lab. This you will only need to use if you are at home trying to access databases. A lot of our databases you can use from home, but you have to use a password to do so. And when you do that, you'll need to be logged into your @apps account in order to access these passwords. We have a bunch of different databases that you can use. The database that I think will be most useful for you today is this EBSCO databases, so click on that. And then go to the Points of View database. When you're in the Points of View database, you can type in a topic. I'm going to put in nuclear. Oops, I misspelled it. Nuclear is what I want. And it's going to give me access to a bunch of different topics. You'll notice over here I've got full text marked off because I only want full text articles. I can also click on subject here and find a more specific list so I can choose exactly what it is that I want to see. So if I go into nuclear energy, it will only give me articles that are related to nuclear energy. What I want to do is click on this HTML full text. I'm going to start with the overview. And this full text will tell me a lot about nuclear power. It will give me great background information. The other cool thing about this database is that it will give you a guide to critical analysis. And in that guide, it will actually tell you how to research this topic, which I think is pretty cool. The other thing it gives you is links to articles on either side of the topic so that you can see what the arguments are for either side of this issue. If I go back to the main article, I can click on Cite, and it will give me different types of citations. I have to scroll down a little bit to get the MLA, but then I can copy this and put it straight into that works cited that I already made. I hope this is a good start to your research. Have a great Park day.